I was a little surprised at the level of academia, because normally you don't see it at this very, very high level. And it was initially a little bit intimidating. It took me a while to get used to the fact that these are very bright, articulate people. On the other hand, I respect the fact that obviously these people who run this institute wanted us to see the best, and were obviously trying to get a point across to us, which I think is invaluable, because we as educators then have the opportunity to go on and spread the word. And I think they were basically saying we want correctness, we want real knowledge to get out there in the mainstream.
It's probably, in terms of institutes, and institutes I've attended over the years, and I've attended a lot, I think it's probably the best organized, number one. Number two, the best quality staff, just the maintenance of everything. Number three, the professors have been superb. I don't think I've been surrounded by quite as much intellect over a period of 2 weeks as this institute has provided. We were treated very professionally. We were treated as if we were smart too, which is nice, because no one was ever talking down to us.
In my experience, I actually have lived in the Middle East for many years, and I've heard the call to prayer for, every morning for years at a time, and never really was able to live in a Muslim or learn in a Muslim setting. So for me, this is a unique experience, not only in America, but in the world, for non-Muslims, basically, to get a sense for Islam from the inside. I mean, it's not something you can acquire even by traveling to Muslim countries.
I have to honestly say that my expectations have been exceeded, if that's possible. And I told my wife on the telephone the other night, after I came out of a session with Suleiman, that it was the best hour and a half of learning I had ever spent in my entire life. And she said to me, "You've spent a lot of hours in learning in your long life." And I said, "Yes, I have." But I said, this session was just absolutely extraordinary in terms of what I got from it and how much I learned. And I think that's the key. In so many in-service programs that we have in education, the participants will emerge saying, "It was a waste of time," or "I didn't learn very much." The beautiful thing about this program is what we're learning and at what level we're learning it, and the fact that we are coming away changed people. There's no question that that's the case, given my experience, and as I talk with my colleagues here, the other participants, they're telling me the same thing.
The Hadith discussion we had yesterday was very valuable in terms of going through it. Very few people have an opportunity to go through those things in depth, and actually they hear about it through press reports, they hear about it through word of mouth, but very few Americans have had the opportunity to actually study Quran and study Hadith, and to have PhDs with you to talk through it is a wonderful experience.
We've got history in this program, we've got cultural things in this program, we've got religious concepts and theology, and all the people here have been qualified, definitely qualified in their area of expertise.
Well, my opinion, usually the high points of things like this are usually the people you come and meet, the people you spend time with, people whose point of view you get to appreciate and attach an idea or a philosophy or a feeling to a personality. So I think that's without a question the strongest part. I've had a very, very good experience going to prayer, talking to some experts. I love New Mexico. It's great. I have to say the setting itself was a big plus as well.